We want to build tools that help you focus on creativity and innovation, not on the nuts and bolts. So today I'm going to share some new VR and AR tools that we're building, investments that we're making in the platform based on feedback from developers like you. So first, we know that all of you are here to innovate. We'll go to the next slide. But in order to innovate, you've got to be able to iterate quickly. If we can roll the video here too, that'd be great. With traditional mobile development, it can take minutes to build a new app, push it to the device, and try out a change, which is way too long if you're trying to innovate. So that's why we're creating Instant Preview. It's a new solution integrated into both the editor and the hardware, allowing you to make a change and see it on device in seconds, not minutes. And the latency is low enough that you can view it even in a VR HMD. Now, we know that you want to create content that looks great. We'll go to the next slide. With lighting and shadowing that's as dynamic and responsive as your interactions. There we go. We want solutions that are dynamic, not pre-baked. But of course, implementing dynamic lighting and shadowing in a way that's performant on mobile GPUs is extremely challenging. That's why we're building Daydream Renderer, which is a suite of highly optimized tools that supports dynamic lighting and shadowing in stereo at 60 on today's flagship phones. Of course, no matter what renderer you use, performance is critical in immersive computing. But to optimize your application, you have to understand what the hardware is doing under the hood. So today, we're announcing two new introspection tools. The first is called PerfHUD, which gives you real-time hardware stats at a glance in and out of VR. And Gapid, which is a tool that lets you do deep GPU profiling and static analysis on your PC. Now, lastly, we understand that excellence in immersive computing isn't just about the nuts and bolts. It's about the interactions that you're creating, right? The best practices that underline the experience. If we can go to the next slide, thank you. So we've spent a lot of this last year working with our developers, learning about what works and what doesn't work in VR and AR. We want to share these learnings with the entire developer community. So today we're announcing a brand new initiative called Daydream Elements. It's a modular, open source application that contains focused examples of best practices with code that's fully open, modular, and ready to drop into your own games and applications. So everything that you've heard about is coming very soon with Instant Preview, Daydream Renderer, and Daydream Elements out later this month, with Gapid and PerfHUD following close behind this summer. You'll hear more from us on our blogs and social media when these are actually available, but it's coming very soon.